So if we are talking about light emitting diode, so light emitting diode is a heavily doped forward bias PN junction diode, and which convert electrical energy into optical energy. Optical energy like what? Like infrared visible light, ऐसे करता है infrared, like infrared visible light. ये क्या होती है? एलईडी जो दिखा देता है, कन्वर्ट करता है इंफ्रारेड और विजिबल लाइट. ओके. So if you are talk about the symbol, तो symbol sign like a PN junction diode. But यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है? The light is radiating, energy बाहर को निकल रही है. Another symbol is like that. और another the basic symbol जो आप you all know, it is something like that. You have seen in your daily life also. ठीक है. तो ये क्या है? LED है. LED जो बल्ब हम घर पे यूज करते हैं. So it is connected with here two, you can see two wires are something wire like shaped. तो एक होता है एनोड, एक होता है कैथोड. But the important thing is this type of material you have seen also a translucent something like material is there, and that is generally made up from गैलियम आर्सेनाइड. ये क्या होता है? जो एलईडी बना होता है गैलियम आर्सेनाइड से बना होता है या फिर इंडियम फॉस्फाइड से मिलके बना होता है. ठीक है, तो नोट इट डाउन ऑल्सो. So here we can say we have a diagram of for LED. So it is made up from two type of semiconductor, that is N type and P type. Okay, with a metallized contact, and this material is basically is a translucent, that is gallium arsenide or indium phosphide, and it is a forward bias. So N type is always connected with negative terminal, and P type is always connected with the positive terminal, or we can make it like this also. Here you can apply some load to control the current, then negative, then positive also. So this is positive terminal, negative terminal. So positive with P, negative with N, so it is become what? It will become forward bias. Note it. So I'm telling the working again. You can see if you are talking about the forward bias, so basically what happened in the forward bias, the electrons always move from N region to P region, and the holes will always move from P region to N region. Now what will happen? If they are moving towards that N or P region, due to which what will happen? The concentration of minority charge carrier will increase at junction. Okay, the concentration of minority charge carrier will increases at the junction as compared to the equilibrium concentration. Equilibrium concentration means whenever there is no biasing, means simple PN junction only. Okay, so it will increase, and now these excess of minority charge carrier, what will these charge carrier will do? They will recombine. What they will do? They will recombine with what? They will recombine with the majority charge carrier, and whenever they are recombining, recombination is there. So at that time, they will release some energy, and some energy in the form of photons, and generally we can say in the form of radiation. Note it. So now whenever if you are talking about, this is how the energy will combine, and then the energy will move from and from this side non-metallized surface से निकलेगी energy. ठीक है. And what will happen over here? The working is when the forward bias through the series resistance we have put it over here, light photons are emitted from. This is a forward bias, so light will emit the photons we are talking about. That is because of the recombination of at the junction the minority charge and the majority charge carrier. What will happen? The photon will release from the non-metallized surface, and this resistance is placed over here to control. The resistance is placed here to control the current through the LED, so that it also can control the intensity. Now you can see there are different LEDs are there, and they different lights they provide us. So the color of the light is basically depends on energy gap. Okay, this is a very important thing, that the color of light that is emitted by an LED this depends on its band gap energy. Okay, so you can write it also, you can note it down. So as we know that the color of light is depends on the what energy gap. So now if you are talking about visible light, तो visible light की जो wavelength होती है वो 700 नैनोमीटर से होती है 400 नैनोमीटर के बीच. Okay, and if you are talking about the energy gap, energy E equals to h nu, ये निकलता है ना E equals to h nu, E equals to hc upon lambda, यहां से निकलेगा ये एनर्जी गैप. तो ये जो एनर्जी है विजिबल लाइट करती है लाई, वो 3 इलेक्ट्रॉन वोल्ट से 1.8 इलेक्ट्रॉन वोल्ट तक लाई करती है. ओके, सो फॉर ए विजिबल लाइट द एनर्जी गैप मस्ट बी मिनिमम, जो होना चाहिए एनर्जी गैप वो कितना होना चाहिए फॉर विजिबल लाइट, इट मस्ट बी 1.8 इलेक्ट्रॉन वोल्ट. So generally if you talk about the example, so the gallium arsenide, whenever it is emit a red light, so the energy gap for that time is 1.9 electron volt. Okay, or if we are talking about the advantage, so nowadays you know that we all are using most of in our daily life. So whenever you are using the optical instruments, so in most of the cases we are using only LED. What we are using? LED. So there are some advantage of this LED over conventional sources like tungsten bulb. उससे पहले CFL आते थे, उसके बाद CFL आए, तो ये उससे भी better है. अब why they are so better? Why they are good? Because first of all they required a very low operational voltage. आपने पहले जमाने में देखा होगा जब लाइट डिम होती थी तो बल्ब भी क्या होता था, डिम हो जाता था. ठीक है, लाइट कम हो जाती थी. लेकिन नाउअडेज इफ अगर लाइट कम भी हो रही है तो यू आर नॉट एबल टू डिटेक्ट द इफेक्ट. हालांकि थोड़ा बहुत लगता है, थोड़ा बहुत एनर्जी कम रिलीज करता है, बट स्टिल इट रिक्वायर अ वेरी लो ऑपरेशनल वोल्टेज. ओके, एंड ऑल्सो अ वेरी लेस पावर कंजप्शन. प्रीवियसली whenever you are using the tungsten bulb, तो हम क्या करते थे, 100 वॉट का बल्ब यूज करते थे. फिर CFL आया तो हम 30, 50, 75 वॉट का यूज करने लगे. अब LED आ गया तो हम वी आर यूजिंग ओनली 7 वॉट, 9 वॉट, 15 वॉट, 18 वॉट. ओके, सो इट ऑल्सो व्हाट, ये क्या कर रहा है, बहुत कम पावर भी क्या करता है, कंज्यूम करता है. अच्छा, बहुत फास्ट एक्शन है इसका LED का. यू कैन सी इफ यू स्विच ऑफ द लाइट एंड इट इज वी आर यूजिंग दैट LED ओवर, तो इट विल वेरी फास्ट एक्शन, जस्ट बिल्कुल सीधे स्विच ऑफ हो जाएगी. बट बिफोर दैट जो हमारे पास रॉड लगी रहती थी एक ट्यूब लाइट, उसको बंद करते थे तो जलने से पहले टुक 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 करती थी, 2 मिनट तो टुक टुक करने में ही लेती थी, उसके बाद वो जलती थी. तो यहाँ पे LED में ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं होता है. और इट लाइफ, पहले क्या होता था, बल्ब का टंगस्टन फ्यूज होता था, बहुत जल्दी बल्ब फ्यूज हो जाते हैं. लेकिन अब LED की जो लाइफ होती है बहुत ज्यादा लॉन्ग लाइफ होती है. ओके, सो दीज आर सम यूजेस ऑफ LED and it's all about the LED. LED means